All right, let's see what you have here.
All right, so we've got this little mudroom area, and there's going to be one piece on this side and one piece that's going on this side, right?
Yeah.
And the architect actually designed this built-in to sort of look like a piece of furniture. You
I
know?
see, yeah, that's nice. So this will be a template so we can follow to cut our sides.
Exactly, and there'll be a shelf here, right?
Yeah.
And a bench here to get their shoes on, and we'll put some beadboard on the back.
All right, well, that sounds great.
Let's make it.
Okay.
So this is what we're going to make them out of.
Yeah.
Glued these up and pre-stained them already.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah, just because, you know, it's hard to stain something when it's an inside corner, so it'll be easier to get a nicer, even finish with everything pre-stained.
All right, so what do you want to do? You want to trace this or?
Yeah, I figured we would trace it, cut it out with a jigsaw, and then we can finish it up, fine-tune it with a router.
Okay. All right, we now screwed our template to the side of the bench. We've made it flush on the back side, and you can see that it's slightly proud on this side. We didn't cut on the line. We made an allowance for the router bit, which is a straight cutting bit with a bearing on the bottom. The bearing will follow the template, and the cutter will cut the wood flush with the template. Now you notice when I cut, when we're going with the grain, we're coming up on it. If we come away from it, that could chip that piece right out. Also, you notice how slow I went. I could have even have gone slower. Like a big CNC machine, you see when they cut whole board out, they go back and forth, but they make small passes. They go down, they cut it again and again and again. We did it all at once. That's why we want to go slow and steady. Too fast burns the wood and burns up the bit.
Gotcha.
All right, that's two. That looks good.
Well, let's sand it and maybe ease over the edge.
Okay. All right, so we have our finished edge all sanded. Now we're just going to ease over this outside edge right here, which will be the inside of the rack, with a 1/4 round bit right here and a bearing. And we'll just run that across, and that will round it over, and we'll just sand it up lightly.
All
All right, that looks good. Ready to put them in?
Yeah, let's see how these fit.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Now we'll just screw it into the wall where the shelf and the seat go. All right, we're ready to template for that seat.
All right, I've got this little jig here we made, and I could just pop that in there.
Okay, hold it nice tight to the wall. That goes left and right. This jig is really handy. Great for stair treads, shelving in the closet, anything where you have two parallels between something.
That's actually the old floor joist from the framing.
Oh, nice. Look at that. All right, that looks good.
Yeah. All right, let's get this beadboard on the back now.
Okay. That's it. All right, that looks pretty nice.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
I like it too. Now I know where I can sit to have my coffee.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.